Want to make a perfectly juicy salmon in just 10 minutes. So in this video, I'll show you my foolproof method using just 3 simple ingredients. The real magic isn't the ingredients, it's the 3 simple chef tips that make all the difference. So stay on and watch till the end to learn exactly when to flip the salmon, why you should never move it after flipping, and how to get that beautiful golden crust while keeping the inside incredibly juicy. So take 2 fillets. I've taken 2 fillets of the salmon and washed them clean. Don't be very harsh on it. Just clean it and tap it dry with a kitchen towel. Then use the sea salt. That makes a lot of difference, using sea salt rather than the ordinary salt, and sprinkle on the front side of the fillets. Once that is done, crush pepper, sprinkle some crushed pepper on both the fillets, and heat up the pan to around 8. Add a little bit of extra virgin oil or whichever oil you use, but using the virgin oil makes a lot of difference. Once you've done that, and just put a little bit of sea salt to see that it begins to splutter, and then put this is another great tip, is to put the opposite side of the salmon with the skin side up and cook it, and with the help of the kitchen towel just dry the fillets. Once done, remember, another great tip is flip the salmon once and for all. Just like that. Another great tip is don't move the salmon once you have flipped it. If you keep moving it, it's going to break because it's a very delicate fish. So once you flipped it, just let it cook. So on each side, exactly time your watch and cook it only for 5 minutes and flip over. And in one stroke, remove the salmon to serve. These are great tips from the chef as to how the salmon is to be prepared. Now you see how the crust is formed. It's a beautiful brown. It's not a burnt brown. It's a beautiful brown, and I have flipped the salmon to show you the crust. It's a lovely flaky crust that is formed, and it's ready to eat. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for more.